Sleep, one of the primary determining factors of our overall well-being. How well or badly we sleep impacts our physical health, our mental health, our productivity, and our ability to stay safe on the road. Yet sleep behavior is often overlooked or ignored. We are going to bed later, have irregular sleep schedules, and our sleep quality is declining too. Overall, our sleep health is deteriorating, and the outcome reveals a nightmare. It's clear people that sleep well are healthier, happier, live longer, and drive safer. The importance of good sleep has never been greater, and that is why Discovery is introducing the Vitality Sleep Score, a clinical and personalized measure of how your sleep behavior impacts your health risk. In 2026, Discovery members will be rewarded for tracking and bettering their Vitality Sleep Score, one good night's sleep at a time. Vitality members will be rewarded through Vitality Sleep Rewards, earning weekly rewards for reaching their sleep goals. Discovery Health Medical Scheme members will be rewarded for reaching their sleep goals through personal health pathways. And Discovery Insure clients with Vitality Drive will earn Vitality Drive sleep points by consistently maintaining good sleep habits. Discovery and Vitality are here to encourage and reward the power of good sleep, night after night. Rest healthily tonight and be your best self tomorrow.